Have you ever felt like your business is stuck at a certain level? Revenue looks good, but growth feels impossible. The plateau isn't about your ambition, it's about your systems. And here's the truth: what got you here won't get you there. Look, every leader hits this point. The hustle, the scrappiness, even the systems that you set up, they worked in the beginning, but as your team grows and the stakes get higher, right, those systems, they start creating bottlenecks. Like things start falling through cracks, roles overlap, and suddenly scaling feels like pushing a boulder uphill. And what makes the difference? I'm going to ask you, what makes the difference between businesses that stay stuck and businesses that break through to the next level, right? It's systems, clear roles, aligned processes, performance tracking, and scalability built in. And when we're talking about clear roles, look, everyone in your organization knows who owns what. There's no duplication, there's no guessing. Aligned processes mean that your workflows, they remove friction instead of creating it. And when we talk about performance tracking, we're not just talking about goals. We're talking about the right KPIs tied directly to profitability. And with scalability built in, systems, well, they can grow with you instead of breaking every time you add a new client or a new hire. See, when these pieces align, profits will follow. And it's not because you're working harder, but because you've worked smarter. And this is where the shift actually happens from being on a plateau to profits. And this is what I help leaders with every day: eliminate chaos, optimize operations, and build businesses that scale with clarity and confidence. Because the truth is, scaling isn't about bigger goals, it's about better systems. And if this sounds familiar to you, I put together a free, quick CEO health check, and you can download it below. It'll show you whether your systems are ready for growth or if they're holding you back. So download it today and start your roadmap to scaling with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me, Rolanda Michele, on most social media platforms for more ways to optimize your business and reclaim your time. Grab your free resources in the link below, and I'll see you next video.